Here is the 2020 Nuna MIXX NEXT. Hey, it's me, Ellie from Magic Beans. I'm really excited about showing you the 2020 Nuna MIXX, one of our most popular strollers. If you have any questions about the Nuna MIXX NEXT or any other stroller, you should email me your questions to questions@beans.com or give me a call, 617-383-8259. The Nuna MIXX is very similar to the last year's version, but they made two very important distinct differences. The first thing is in the suspension. They have enhanced suspension, and just to demonstrate to you how awesome the suspension is, I can like bounce this, it is just like bouncing. Your kid, it is so secure, so strong, and it's going to be so smooth going across snow or across the playground or eroded sidewalks. This is going to push beautifully if you're pushing your child around your neighborhood. The other thing is, if you're putting this in your trunk, it now takes up less space. Let me show you. To fold the stroller down, it's in two steps. The first thing you do is you fold over the seat, then you push here, but watch what happens here. That comes in. Let me show you again. That comes in, that's new. So it is 8 inches shorter. So it's gonna fit so nicely in a compact trunk, in the closet of your house. It's just not gonna take up that much space, and that is really awesome. To open it back up, just pull. And it opens right back up. Remember that they have that summer seat on the back so the air flows through and the seat goes in both directions. The Nuna MIXX comes with adapters included for your Nuna Pippa. If you want to see a review of the Nuna Pippa, you can check that out right away on our YouTube channel. See you at the next video.